The resolving masses of a single crank engine single crank engine are equivalent to a mass of 100 kg at radius 225 mm full stop. Determine balancing of determine the magnitude of balancing masses at radius 600 mm into two planes capital L and capital M, at distances at 300 mm and 900 mm respectively from the crank. Full stop. When these planes are on opposite sides, first condition, these planes are on the opposite sides. Second condition, these planes are on the same side. Okay, this one audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this one given data, according to this particular data, only one disturbing mass is there. For balance purpose, they can introduce two balancing masses. One is introduced at L plane, one more balancing introduced at M plane. Okay, the distances at both balancing masses is given distances 300 mm and 900 mm from both L and M planes, and mass of and their radius also is given, r equals 225 mm. First you can find the data. According to the data, you can write all the values. Okay, first mass of the disturbing mass. Okay, disturbing mass means M. Okay, M equals data, M equals 100 kg. Then their radius is given 225 mm. Okay, r. Here only one mass is there. Okay, you can directly consider r, 225 mm. Then balancing mass radius is given, BL equals balancing mass radius is denoted by small b suffix L equals 600 mm. Or this particular magnitude of the balancing masses at radius 600 mm respectively. Okay, both balancing masses of L and M masses same radius. Okay, 600 mm radius for both balancing masses. PL equals BM small b suffix M equals 600 mm. Then one more condition is given. Okay, that particular distance between the both distance of the both L balancing mass and M balancing mass, 300 from disturbing mass, 600 or 900 mm from disturbing mass. Okay, L plane is located at a distance at a distance of 900 from disturbing mass. Okay, this one given data. According to this data, you can write the diagram. Okay, where exactly the disturbing mass is acting, where exactly you can introduce the both balancing masses. Here in first condition, okay, what is the first condition? Two conditions is given. When the planes are opposite sides, opposite sides. Okay, planes are opposite, so opposite sides, nothing but the balancing masses are introduced opposite to the disturbing mass. That is the condition. Shaft, the mass, disturbing mass is acting somewhere here towards upward direction. This one M equals 100 kg. Then the two disturbing masses acting opposite to the this particular disturbing mass. One is acting somewhere here, opposite to means right side, somewhere here. This one capital B suffix L. Okay, this one acting on L plane. L plane. Okay, then this one acting in A plane. Plane A. This particular distance, the balancing mass is disturbing mass M. That one is given. Then one more balancing mass acting right side of the disturbing mass but opposite to the M mass. Okay, this one capital B suffix M. Then this one acting on plane M plane, the BM disturbing mass is acting. Then what is the distance is given? The BM balancing mass acting at a distance of 900 mm from disturbing mass. The BM balancing mass is acting at a distance of 900 from disturbing mass M. Okay, here overall distance how much? 300 plus 900?
1200.
1200 mm. Okay, overall distance, the distance between both the balancing masses L and M, 1200 mm. Okay, this particular balancing mass attached to this center of the shaft. This particular point is coincide point is called as a point P. One more balancing mass BM mass attached to center of the shaft. This particular point is called as a Q point. Okay, by using the data you can write the diagram. Okay, first okay, this one first condition. Okay, take the moments about point P and point Q like that. You can draw the force polygon and couple polygon, but here only one single mass is there. Okay, single mass rotated in different planes. Okay, in the second condition, both the balancing masses attached both the right and left side of the disturbing mass. In that time, according to the first condition, you go for take the moments about point. Take the moments about point P and point Q. Here first you taking the moments about point P, this one point P. In that time only you can consider M mass and BM balancing mass. Okay, taking the moments moment then how to find out once you take the moments about point P. Okay, you can leave the BL balancing mass remaining to masses you can consider, M disturbing mass and Bm disturbing mass. Okay, how to consider this one acting upward direction, you can consider positive sign. This one acting towards downward direction, you can consider negative sign. Okay, how to take the moments about point P? What is the centripetal force for this mass? M mass. Centripetal force for mass M. How to find out? What's for this particular mass M disturbing? Hello, audible or not?
ಸರ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ.
ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ?
ಹೌದು ಸರ್, ಅವಾಗಲಿಂದ ತುಂಬಾ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವು?
ಸರ್ ಕೇಳಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್, ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ತುಂಬಾ.
ಹೌದಾ, ಇವಾಗ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ?
ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಸರ್.
ಇವಾಗ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲ?
ಇವಾಗ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದೆ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ, ಯಾವಾಗ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಅವಾಗ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ.
ಸರಿ.
Okay, how to find out centrifugal force for this particular balance disturbing mass M? Okay, M into omega square into their radius R. Okay, that is the centrifugal force for disturbing mass M. Okay, M into omega square into small r. Okay, M is the mass of the radius. Omega is the angular velocity or angular speed of that disturbing mass. R means their radius. Then one more balancing mass is there. Okay, this one. Okay, this particular Bm balancing mass centrifugal force. Okay, centrifugal force for Bm balancing mass. Bm equals capital that centrifugal force is capital B suffix m into omega square into that particular radius. This radius is denoted by small b suffix l. B suffix l. Okay, this is the centrifugal force. Sorry, Bm, not Bl. Bm is the radius. Okay, this is the centrifugal force for disturbing mass M and balancing mass Bm. Now you take the moments about point P. Once you know the centrifugal force value for disturbing mass M and balancing mass Bm, okay, take the moments. Okay, this particular centrifugal force into this particular distance between point P to this particular disturbing mass. That is the moment. Okay, because you take positive for disturbing mass because that one acting towards upward direction. Okay, take the moments. The centrifugal force per mass m omega square into r. Then this particular multiply this particular distance. Now audible?
Yes sir, audible.
Okay. Yes, this what is the distance between balancing mass Bl to disturbing mass Bm year to year? This distance you can consider
1200.
Hey, only this P to this balancing mass distance. Okay, year to year.
300 mm, sir.
300 mm. That one converted to meter. Okay, 0.3. 0.3 minus. Okay, one more balancing mass is there. Okay, this particular balancing mass centrifugal force is capital Bm into omega square into that particular radius small b suffix m into the distance between P to Q. You can multiply this particular 1200. That one converted to meter 1.2. 1.2, that is equated to 0. Then this negative sign is sent it to right side of equation. Finally, m omega square r into 0.3 equal to capital B suffix m into omega square into small b suffix m into 1.2. Here I want balancing mass value. Okay, Bm value capital B suffix m equals this one sent it to this omega square get cancels. Then finally m into small r into 0.3 divided by small b suffix m into 1.2. Here you know value of disturbing mass and their radius also you know. Then radius of bm mass you know. Okay, you can substitute all the values. Mass this capital M value is 100 kg. 100 into their radius. Okay, their radius r equals 225. That one is in mm. That one converted to meter. Okay, 0 point, because this one and this one is in meter. This one also substitute in meter. 0.225 into 0.3 divided by bm radius. You know the radius of balancing mass bm is same both bl as well as the bm 600. Okay, that one also you can convert it to meter. 0.6 into 1.2. Okay, you can calculate what is the value. Calculating.
Yes, sir.
Capital bm equals what is the value. All radius you can substitute in meters, then only you get correct value of bm.
So 9.375.
9.375.
375.
One second. Okay. What is this? A 9 point.
370.
Okay, the mass of balancing mass 9.3. Yes. Why this one? Eh, Okay, the mass of balancing mass is 9.37 kg. Then again same You can take some moment about point Q. Yeah, what happens to this one? Again, take moments about point Q. In that time, you can consider only M mass and L mass. In that time, balancing mass BM mass is 0. Okay. The here also same. This one M mass is positive. This one negative sign because this one acting towards upward direction. This one acting towards downward direction. Then you can find out centrifugal force for balancing mass BL. Balancing mass BL. What happened? What happened? One second. You can take moments about Q. Audible?
Yes, sir, audible, sir.
Okay, take moments about Q. What is this? What? Okay. Take moments about point Q. In the time balancing mass centrifugal force for this particular balancing mass is capital B suffix L into omega square into this particular radius. What is the radius? Small b suffix L. That is a centrifugal force for this particular balancing mass BL. Okay, take moments about point Q. In that time only you can consider this particular disturbing mass and balancing
Screen ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ sir.
ಕಾಣ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
Yes.
1 second. Now?
ಇವಾಗ ಕಾಣ್ತಿದೆ sir.
Okay. This particular balancing mass you can consider and this particular disturbing mass you can consider for taking moments about point Q. Okay, first this one you can consider positive sign because that one acting towards upward direction. This balancing mass you can consider negative sign because that one acting towards downward direction or opposite to the disturbing mass. Okay, now you can consider moments about point Q. First, you can consider disturbing mass M. Okay, what is the value of this one? Centrifugal force value for M. Okay, M omega square into R. R is the radius into this particular distance. M to this particular balancing mass. Okay, 900 mm. You can that one is in mm. That one converted to meter. M omega square into small r into 0.9.
Sir,
Zero
BL 28.125, sir.
28.
0.125.
Okay, that one. M omega square r into this distance is 0.9 equals one more balancing mass acting. That particular centrifugal force is capital B into omega square into small b suffix l into distance between both P to Q distance is 1.2 meter. Here you know value of yeah. Gagana, you find out BM value. BM value you find out. Others, you can find out BM value. Others, how much you got BM?
Sir, BL, sir, BL.
BL, mass of balancing mass, second balancing mass. BL equals 28.
0.125, sir.
1 to 5. Next, one more condition is given. One second, next in the next I will try. Here also getting same. Second condition, planes are on the same plane. Okay, both one balancing mass is acting same plane or above the center axis of the shaft. One more balancing mass is acting below the center axis or opposite to the center axis. Okay, that is the second condition. B equals what happened this one. One second, because this one. Okay, so now screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, see, this is the first condition. Okay, you get 28.125 kg. Second condition, planes are on the same sides. Okay, see here, this one disturbing mass, same sides, nothing but both balancing masses acting right side of the body or right side of the disturbing mass. This is the disturbing mass. This one one balancing mass. This one more balancing mass. The distance between both balancing mass as well as the disturbing mass, you know. Okay, the BL disturbing the balancing mass distance is 300 from M disturbing mass. Then second BM balancing mass is attached at a disturbing mass M. Here both balancing mass 1 and 2 acting towards right side of the disturbing mass. This is the second condition. The BL mass is attached to center of the shaft. That particular point is called as a P. Then BM mass is attached to point attached to center axis of the shaft. That one call it as a intersection point is called as a point Q. The BL mass is acting on L plane, BM mass is acting on M plane. Okay, this particular overall distance is 1000 to 900 mm. Okay, now here two different points are there. Due to balancing masses, the couple forces are acting, or twisting moment is acting. That you here also same, take moments about point P and point Q. First you take the moments about point P. In that time only you can consider M and BM mass. Okay, taking the moments about point P, here this particular disturbing mass centrifugal force is M omega square into R. R is the radius, omega is the angular speed or angular velocity, M is the mass. Okay, M, this one you can consider positive because this one acting towards upward direction. Always disturbing masses you can consider positive sign, and balancing masses you can consider negative sign. That is the simple logic. Then M omega square into R into this particular distance, the distance between the disturbing mass and BL mass, balancing mass 300 mm. That one is in mm, that one converted to meter, 0.3 meter. Then equal to balancing mass. Okay, why you can equate it to balancing mass means, okay, this disturbing mass is acting towards away from the center axis. For balancing purpose, one more mass is attached to the shaft. Okay, due to this particular balancing mass, the shaft is rotated at a center axis of the shaft. Okay, then only the system is going to be balanced. That's why you can consider negative sign are equated to this particular disturbing mass. Or you can consider minus BM omega square into BM into 0.6 equated to 0, or else this negative sign is set it to right side of equation, then equated to capital BM, this particular centrifugal force, BM into omega square into this particular radius, small b suffix L into the distance between BM balancing mass to point P, or the distance between P to Q, 600 mm. Okay, that one is in mm, that one converted to meter. Okay, capital BM into omega square into small b suffix M into 0.6. Then I want BM balancing mass. Okay, BM equals this omega square get cancels. Finally, BM equals M into R into 0.3 divided by small b suffix M into 0.6. Here you know value of capital M 100 kg, radius 225 mm, that one converted to meter 0.225. Then into 0.3 divided by BM value you know. Okay, 0.6 600 mm, that one converted to meter, 0.6 into 0.6. You can calculate. What is the value of BM? Audible?
Yes, sir, audible.
What is the value of BM?
18.7.
18.775 kg. Okay, that much of mass is required to balance the system. Then second point, P point. Okay, this one first point is P, second point is Q. Okay. Next, second condition, you take the moments about point Q. In that time, you can neglect Bm. Only you can consider M disturbing mass and one more balancing mass Bl. Okay. This particular balancing mass BL centrifugal force is capital B suffix L into omega square into their radius year to year. That radius is considered as small b suffix L. Okay, that is the centrifugal force per BL balancing mass. Now take the moments about point Q. Okay, this one M already you know value of centrifugal force value for M. Okay, M omega square into R is the radius into this particular distance. Okay, M to Q point. Okay, 900 mm, that one converted to meter. M omega square into R into 0.9 equal to this particular balancing mass centrifugal force capital B suffix L into omega square into small b suffix L into this particular distance P to Q distance 600 mm, that one converted to meter 0.6. I want this particular value BL value. Omega square get cancels. Finally, capital B suffix L equals capital M into R into 0.9 divided by small b suffix L into 0.6. Here you know value of capital M, capital R value, small b suffix L. Small b suffix L nothing but radius of balancing mass capital BL. Okay, M value is 100, R value is 225 mm given, that one converted to meter 0.225 into 0.9 divided by this particular balancing mass radius is 600 mm given. Both BM and BL balancing mass radius is same. Okay, 0.6 into 0.6. Then what is the value? 56.2 kg. That much of mass is required to balance the system. Okay, in first condition, see here, in first condition, both the balancing masses acting left and right side of the plane. In that time, only small amount of force is required to balance the system. In second condition, both the balancing masses are attached right side of the disturbing mass. In that time, maximum amount of mass is required 56 and here 18. Okay, that much of mass is required to balance the system. Okay, that's why always you go for once you are attaching any balancing mass to any shaft, in that time you can attach both right and left side of the disturbing mass, then only the system only small amount of mass is required to balance the system. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. Any doubts means you can ask.
Sir, the